challenge gonna start? I do believe the answer is right now. Cute suckers.
Huh?
Why didn't I get anything? Maybe I just need to look around a bit? I don't understand what you're hoping to find. All the best things will end up on my plate no matter what. Sugar and chocolate. Such a great start.
Huh?
Looking at Emma and her treat makes me want to cry. But I can turn things around. Let's see how much she likes cardboard candy. Done! It looks just like the real thing. Oh, Emma, check this out. No way. My sucker is horribly tiny next to that one. How about we swap? I don't think so. Alright, I'll pay you for it. Okay, I'm ready to sell this bad boy too. 1, 2, 3, switch! Nice doing business with you. And to you. Why are you smashing them up?
Oh no!
Because it's fun, and it'll make them a lot easier to eat. Watch and learn. Now I can eat my dessert with a spoon. I see no need to do that. I'll just be eating mine. Ugh, it tastes like paper. I'm so confused. It's a fake. You tricked me, Sarah. Surprise!
Ooh, huh?
That's a lot of broccoli. I've only got a tiny piece. Hello? Bring me my golden powder right this instant. And hurry. It's already here.
Okay.
Fantastic. Sprinkle it on my broccoli. That's much better. Leave the golden go.
Okay.
Huh? Golden veg. Amazing. It's just so pretty now. And the taste is delightful. I think that if I add in chocolate, it'll be even better. Yep, it is. I never thought that broccoli could taste good. I'll try mine. Maybe it'll be better than I thought, though I doubt it. Wait, Sarah. Take some of this. Thanks, Emma. This will definitely improve things.
Huh?
Why isn't anything happening? Oh well, I'll try it like this. I think it's just regular old broccoli. Maybe, but your teeth turned gold. Cake?
Huh?
How nice. Again, I got the short stick. Well, one strawberry isn't bad.
Okay.
And if I add some chocolate to it, then it'll be perfect. I think I'll start with cake. I'll just what is that? I want something tasty. I don't want a berry. Calm down, Sarah. I'm begging you. Here, this one's covered in chocolate. Thank you. This I like. What's going on? Where'd this come from?
Huh?
Thank goodness you're back. Now I can eat in peace. I'm going to pour this right on top. Oh, it looks just to die for. Well, if you like it so much, then why not dive in face first, Emma?
Oh, come on!
Is that how you want to be? Take this. And the same for you. That's it. There's no stopping me now. Me neither. Burgers. I can barely see yours. It's so small, Sarah. Well, I like it. Though there's no denying yours could make anyone jealous. But I'm used to enjoying the little things in life. I'm ready to eat. Wow, it's just so pretty.
Wow.
This is definitely unusual, but weirdly it works. The combination of sweet and salty wins again. Watch it, Sarah. Fine, I'll let it go, but only this time. Anyway, I've got no time to waste thinking about all that. Oh, aren't you so sweet? Copycat. Green doesn't look good on you. The aroma is driving me nuts. This chocolate pours so nicely over my golden burger. I can't wait to try it. Ow! What's so hard in here? My tooth! There's a gold necklace inside? This is one time when that is not a pleasant surprise.
Uh-oh!
Wow, is this real gold? Cool! A massive donut encrusted with jewels. My
Wow.
treat. It's about 5 times bigger than mine. Per the usual, I'm banking on chocolate to turn things around. Wait, what is this? Broccoli again? My donut's stuffed with this stuff. That had to be disappointing. No getting used to that. I'm sure my donut will be fantastic. These crystals are so sweet. And so is the pastry itself and the frosting, too. I can only dream of tasting that. Great so.
Huh?
I don't understand. What is this, microscopic candy? Guess so. And you know what? I think it's pretty darn good. Chocolatey goodness. There's nothing to be happy about here. I prefer more filling dishes, personally. So I'll be planting my candy in some dirt, and I'll water it with gold Coke. Wow. Wow, cool. A real golden apple. And another one? I'm over the moon. I can't wait to sink my teeth into them. Yum. Emma, not cool. It isn't nice to throw food scraps at people. Though maybe I can use this? I'm gonna grow a whole tree, and I think the best plant food I can use would be chocolate. Wow! Huh? Sarah, where are you? Help! I'm scared of heights. I'll do what I can, Sarah. Ow! That hurt. Hey, it's a Kit Kat. So wait, candy grows on this tree? More, please. There's so much here. Emma, stop that! Oh, Sarah, hi. I asked for help, not for you to try and kill me. Sorry, I just got terribly distracted here.
Okay.
This will make you feel better. Sarah, look what we've got. Coca-Cola. I'll take this bottle. So refreshing. Weird, my drink is awfully thick. All done. Emma, what happened?
What?
I think I got a chocolate beverage, not soda. Chocolate? Really? I want to try. Ooh, it's delicious. Uh-oh, this can't be good. Help!
Okay.
My intuition is telling me that we've got lots of chocolatey goodness coming. You're right. Check out my giant chocolate burger. I've got the original, and I'm not mad at it. That's because you haven't tried mine. That's what you think. I prefer the classics. I've almost eaten the whole thing. That was wonderful. I'm just about done too. Just some lettuce left. And that's all we get?
Oh, man!
Bingo! Ooh, I still have some sauce left here. Why just lick the plate when you can scarf that down too? Oh, and I can't forget about my fork. It's also made of chocolate. Well, then my fork must be edible too. Oh no, my teeth!
Oh no! What?
Poor Emma. Don't worry, hon. I've got an idea. Open up real wide. We're gonna fix that smile.
Okay.
A miss. Oh well. That was just a warm-up. Doesn't count. I think everything is back in place. I'm as good as new. I told you it would all work out. Chips, not too shabby. Though they could use some sauce. This will do nicely. Perfect.
Okay.
Whoa, isn't that stuff spicy? Bingo! I'm looking at some rather strange potatoes. I think I need to improve these. What are you doing, Emma?
What?
You'll see soon enough. Voila! Chocolate french fries.
Awesome!
That's more like it. Want to try one, Sarah? Those really are great. But I'm not stopping there. Watch and learn. Chocolate Pringles to match yours. There are so many dishes you can make with potatoes.
Mommy?
You're a magical chef. Let us toast to your unparalleled success. Oh, the spice is finally kicking in. I told you that Tabasco was a bad idea. Thanks, Emma. Weirdly, that helped. Let's see what's under these lids. Light bulbs?
What?
I don't think it would be wise to eat this. I've got a bulb too, but it's much darker than yours. Just as I suspected. Maybe mine's worth tasting too?
What?
You're powering it, Sarah! Holy cow! I could really save on electricity this way.
Okay.
I want to do that! Watch and learn. You're shocking me! Sorry, I didn't mean to. But while you recover from that, I'll take this. I don't think you'll mind. I'm kicking things off this time. Oh wow, chocolate coins. And that means I've got a fat stack of cash. I'm rich.
Hey!
I'm thinking I still got the better end of the deal here. You've got to be kidding me. I can treat myself to anything with this. Maybe I'll even bathe in it. Oh, enough daydreaming. Time to get to business. It's fake? You got your hopes up for nothing.
Wow!
Is this a hint that we need to do our hair? Well, not me. My portion is chocolatey, so I'll just snack on it. What does that leave me to do?
Aw, forget it.
Bingo! Well, a trim here and there might not be so bad. And maybe some bangs. Sarah, you should really stop. What are you talking about? This is going great. I can give you a cut too.
Oh, no!
No friggin' way. Hands off.
Oh!
Haha, me first. What a lovely piece of cheese. And for the second reveal, yay, nothing but sugar for me. I'm so lucky. Smells heavenly. Emma, won't you share a little with me?
Hey!
Ow! It's rude to try and touch other people's food. Fine, you're right. Bingo! But I want to improve my serving, and I know how. Yes, right away, please. Where are you going? My order's here. Hand it over. Phew, I got it. A whole plate of yummy pasta. The only thing missing is cheese, which I just happen to have. Pasta? Nice thinking. Finally, I'll be able to really stuff myself. That looks good. You noticed, huh? I'll give you a smell. But the eating goes to me.
Okay.
Fine then. Why am I wearing a dress? Oh, I think I get it. I need the right outfit to go with this new shoe. Enjoy the pain that brings you. Me, I'm chomping on the tastiest heel in the land. I have to try it on. Oh, the perfect fit. I feel like a real-life princess. Is that what I think it is? The matching shoe. Milady, may I?
Oh, baby.
If this slips onto your delicate foot, that means that we were made for one another. Give me your hand and come away with me. Where are you going? You don't even know that guy. I'm so happy right now. I met my prince. You have no idea how happy I am. I hope you're tasty.
What?
Ah, finally I get a bite to eat. Welcome, ladies. I prepared a little something for you. What do you think? AirPods? Seriously? Your chance to win them starts now. Ooh. I'd do just about anything to win this prize. Okay! But that's easier said than done. Sarah, starting back at square one, huh? Yeah, so? I know how to get out of this situation. I'll just trace my own headphones. There, done with those. Huh? I think I better probably hurry up. Oh, I broke the tip of my pencil. That sucks, Emma. Huh? Drawing well is easy peasy. You just need to get the dimensions right. Alright, let's do this. I see you're all doing quite well.
Okay.
Oh, and time has run out, you three. We're ready.
No!
I would say the best drawing is
Yeah!
Sarah's. I knew those beauties would be mine. We're so happy for you. Alright, one for me, and this one is for you, Sarah. Uh-huh? Why is it so huge? I can't fit this thing in my ear. Dance party time. Oh, that was loud. You okay over there, Sarah? A hot and fiery chili pepper. It seems you guys aren't excited, but that changes nothing. Begin.
What a...
I'll just paint some sort of blob to be sure I don't win. I've got an even better plan than that. I'll just pour my used water on the paper. Oops. Huh? Oh no, how in the heck did that happen? Tough break, Emma.
Oh, really?
Sorry, somehow I ended up with an apple. Oops.
Oh, man!
But I wanted to lose.
No!
No getting around it, Emma. This is how things panned out. It's so hot. I need a drink. Ugh, gross. Oh no, it's a grizzly bear. No, it's me. Did I fool you? Look what I brought. Honey. Time is ticking.
Come on! on!
I love sweets, so there's no way I won't be able to paint them well.
Huh?
And I can use this cup as a reference.
Huh?
I think this is going pretty well.
Okay.
Eating lots of chocolate will give me the energy I need to work. Oh, Sarah, you're literally working up a storm.
Huh?
And the results? Wow. Look over there. Stop. My painting is perfect, but this isn't it.
Hey!
Those are less than impressive. And we have a winner. Emma, it's all yours. Thanks. But that was my painting, which makes this mine.
Hey!
I don't think so. I'm not letting go. Bees! Help me!
Oh, man! Oh.
I almost forgot about you all. Oh, let's continue. What's that smell?
No!
Sadie, so. Stinky blue cheese. I know you'd be thrilled. Paint. I'm not putting in any effort at all. I'm not even starting yet. I think it's better to get this over with quick. Just a little more to do. I do not understand why you're trying so hard. Oh, you're right.
Aha!
Oh well, it won't be hard to ruin this. Nice. Time is running out. Brushes down. I won't argue. Mine's awful.
No!
Mine too. Oh, I see. An abstract interpretation.
Wow!
Genius. Congratulations, Mia. What? No, it's just a spot. Gross. Bon appetit. Yummy. M&Ms, I want some. Just a sec.
Wow!
Wow! What a massive bag.
Yes!
You are all very lucky. Fight. One brush won't be enough. I'm going right for 4. Wow! Whoa, that's so pretty.
No!
Why bother with brushes at all when you've got fingers? These are the most accurate tools we've got. We're ready. You all gave it your best, I'd say, so why not just share the love around? Is that the best idea? Wow, there's so much. Let's dig in. Yum. Oof, this is heavy. Wow, so much popcorn.
Come on!
That's worth fighting for. It's terribly interesting to watch you all. Keep up the good work. It's raining popcorn. To be honest, this is making drawing difficult, but I like having a snack. You're really getting into it. If I want a chance of winning, then I need an umbrella. Finish up. I'm all done. Me too.
Huh?
Oops. I kind of forgot about the task at hand.
Oops.
No!
The winner is obvious. Mia. The popcorn is yours. That's a lot for one person. Help yourselves. Let's share with our faithful teacher. No, thank you. Hey, cut it out.
Okay.
I'm in place, and the item is with me. Here it is. It's just so beautiful.
Wow! Hey!
And it can be yours. I'd look like a pretty, pretty princess with that tiara. Dream on, Sarah. My drawing will be the best of the best. I've got a secret weapon. Glitter.
Wow.
Whoa, that's a great idea. I've got something up my sleeve, too. I'm gonna make a real crown. Let's see what you came up with.
Wow!
I see the winning picture. Emma. But my creation is just as impressive. I can't say I agree with you. Emma, congrats. All my dreams have been shattered.
Oh, forget it.
What a pretty dress. And cash, too. I'm rich. Well, I got a crown all the same. What a weird dress. Mia, I'm not sure that's a dress, really. It was made out of trash bags.